Hello, everyone. Welcome back to TED Talk Daily, the podcast where English is simple, fun, and never boring. I'm Lucy.
And I'm David. Hi, Lucy. Hi to all our amazing listeners in more than 100 countries. How are you doing today?
I'm fantastic. And David, you look like you drank 3 espressos this morning.
Guilty. One very large coffee, maybe 1.5. Coffee is life.
We are addicted, I swear. But guess what? Today, coffee is actually part of our topic.
Exactly. Are you ready for a super exciting episode?
Born ready. Tell me the magic word.
Big city life.
Yes. Daily routine in a big city. Perfect. So many of you live in huge cities. Tokyo, New York, London, Mumbai, Mexico City, Seoul, Bangkok, Lagos, Jakarta. The list is endless.
And life there is completely different from a small town or the countryside.
Totally. Everything is faster, louder, brighter, busier. Let's imagine a normal Monday in a big city. Ready?
Let's go.
Okay, picture this. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. My alarm goes beep, beep, beep.
Mine too, but I press snooze. Twice.
Same. So I actually get out of bed at 6:20. Quick shower, quick breakfast, usually just coffee and toast. Then I run out the door
Why so early?
because of the commute.
Great word number 1, commute. Lucy, please explain.
Of course, your commute is the journey from your home to your office or school and back home again. In small towns, it can be 5 to 10 minutes. In big cities, 45 minutes, 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours one way.
My record is 1 hour 40 minutes when there was an accident on the highway.
Oh no, how do you commute, David?
I take the subway in the morning and sometimes the bus in the evening when I'm too tired to go underground.
I'm 100% subway girl. In different cities, they call it different names. Subway in New York, Tube in London, Metro in Paris, Underground in Glasgow, U-Bahn in Berlin.
But the experience is the same everywhere. Fast, cheap, but crowded.
Especially during rush hour.
Rush hour. Phrase number 2. Rush hour is usually 7 to 9 a.m. and 5 to 7 p.m. Everyone is going to work or going home at the same time.
The train arrives, the doors open, and boom, hundreds of people try to get in at the same time.
You have to push a little. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry,
And inside the train, packed like sardines.
I love that expression. Can you explain it?
Packed like sardines equals so many people that you can't move, just like small fish inside a can. No personal space.
Sometimes someone's bag is on your foot, someone's elbow is in your stomach, and someone is breathing right on your neck.
Romantic, right?
Very romantic. Do you ever get a seat?
Only if I'm the first person on the train at the first station. Otherwise, I stand for 45 minutes holding the metal handle.
Me too. I put my headphones on and listen to TED Talk daily. Best way to start the day.
Thank you. Some people read books, some people study English, some just close their eyes and try to sleep.
I've seen people sleep standing up, head down, eyes closed, perfect balance. It's an Olympic sport.
City talent number 1.
Okay, let's talk about other ways to commute. Some people drive.
Brave people. Driving in the city equals stress 100%.
Traffic jams everywhere.
Traffic jam equals too many cars, nobody moves. You just sit and wait. 10 minutes feels like 1 hour.
And everyone honks. Beep, beep, beep.
Honk equals the sound of the car horn. The city soundtrack. Beep, beep. Sirens, construction, people shouting, music from shops.
Never quiet. Even at night.
That's why they call New York the city that never sleeps.
But many cities are like that now.
Okay, after fighting our way through rush hour, we finally arrive at the office. First stop,
Coffee machine. Second coffee of the day.
essential. Then we say good morning to colleagues, open the laptop, and start work.
Meetings, emails, phone calls. Time flies.
Until lunchtime.
Best part of the day.
So many choices in the city. What do you usually do for lunch, David?
It depends. Sometimes I bring food from home, a sandwich or last night's dinner, to save money.
Smart. We talked about budgeting in episode 12, remember?
Of course. But sometimes I want something hot and delicious, so I go out.
Same. My three favorite city lunch options: food trucks, little family restaurants, street food markets.
Food trucks are the best. Small kitchens on wheels. They park on the corner and sell amazing food. Korean tacos, Indian curry, Brazilian akaraji, Vietnamese pho.
And the queue moves fast because everyone is in a hurry.
Speed is everything in the city. Even eating is fast.
Have you noticed how fast people walk?
Crazy fast. In London and New York, they walk like they're late for a flight.
If you walk slowly, someone behind you will say, "Excuse me," and zoom past you.
We call that the hustle and bustle.
Hustle and bustle equals the busy movement and noise of city life. It's exciting, but it can make you tired.
Very tired. By 6 p.m., we're back on the subway for the journey home.
Evening rush hour is different. People are quieter. Everyone is exhausted.
Lots of people stare at their phones or sleep.
I once saw a man sleep standing up for 12 stops. When the train arrived at his station, he woke up exactly on time. Magic.
City talent number 2.
Finally, we get home. We think, peace. But the city is still loud outside.
Sirens, music from bars, delivery motorcycles.
But we're used to it. We close the window, cook dinner, or order delivery because in the city you can order anything at 10 p.m.
Pizza, sushi, burgers, ice cream. Delivered in 20 minutes.
During the week, I usually eat, watch one episode of a series, and go to bed early.
Same. But Friday and Saturday nights are different.
Yes, the city comes alive. Restaurants, bars, clubs, theaters, concerts.
You can eat food from any country. Last weekend, I had Ethiopian food for the first time. Delicious.
That's my favorite part of big cities, the diversity. People from everywhere speaking hundreds of languages, cooking their food, celebrating their holidays.
You can travel the world without a passport.
But sometimes the city is too much.
Too much noise, too much concrete, too many people.
Then I need nature. Green space.
Every big city has at least one huge park. Central Park, Hyde Park, Tiergarten in Berlin, Lumpini Park in Bangkok, Retiro in Madrid.
An oasis in the middle of the chaos.
Oasis equals a calm, green, quiet place surrounded by business.
On Saturday morning, I love to go to the park, sit on a bench, drink coffee, watch dogs play, listen to birds. For 1 hour, I forget I'm in a city of 10 million people.
Balance is the key. City life is exciting, but we need quiet moments too.
Totally. David, honest question. Could you live in a small, quiet town?
Maybe when I'm 60. Right now, I love the energy. Everything is open late, everything is close, there's always something new.
Same for me. I complain about the subway every morning, but 2 weeks ago, I visited my cousin in a small village. And after 3 days, I missed the noise.
Really?
Yes, I missed hearing different languages, seeing new restaurants, feeling the hustle and bustle.
City people are a different species.
We are. One more thing I love, city fashion.
Oh, yes. In the morning, everyone looks so smart. Men in suits, women in beautiful coats and boots.
It's like a fashion show on the street.
But at the same time, you can wear anything. Pink hair? Cool. Big funny hat? No problem. 10 piercings? Welcome.
The city accepts everyone. You can be exactly who you are.
That's beautiful.
Okay, time to review all the useful words and phrases we learned today. David, let's make a big list.
Here we go. Commute. Journey from home to work, school. Rush hour. Busiest time for transport. Morning and evening. Subway. Tube, metro, underground train traffic jam. When cars can't move. Packed like sardines. Very crowded. No space honk. Sound of car horn. Beep, beep. Skyscraper. Extremely tall building. Hustle and bustle. Busy energy and noise. Food truck. Small moving restaurant. The city that never sleeps. Always active. Even at night. Oasis. Quiet green place in a busy city. Diversity. Many different cultures together. Green space, park, place with trees and grass in the city delivery. Food brought to your home. Budgeting. Planning how to spend money wisely.
Wow, 15 new expressions. Practice them this week, okay?
And now, the part I love the most. A real story from a real listener.
Yes. Today we have Anna from Moscow, Russia. She sent us a long message. Let's read it together like a conversation.
Hi, Lucy and David. I live in Moscow. 12 million people. My day starts at 5:45 a.m. because my commute is 1 hour 20 minutes. I take the metro. It's beautiful. Some stations look like palaces with chandeliers. But in the morning, it's packed like sardines. One day, the train stopped between stations for 25 minutes. Everyone was hot and stressed. A man started playing guitar and singing. First one person clapped, then everyone started singing together. Old songs that every Russian knows. When the train started again, we all applauded. Complete strangers became friends for 5 minutes. That's Moscow. Crazy, difficult, but full of heart. I listen to your podcast every morning. It makes the commute happier. Thank you.
Anna, that story made me cry a little. Singing together in a broken train, only in a big city.
This is why we love cities. Behind all the noise and stress, there are thousands of small moments of human connection.
So now it's your turn, dear listeners.
Tell us in the comments, do you live in a big city, small town, or village? What is one thing you love about where you live? What is one thing that is difficult? And if you have a funny or kind story from your commute, please share.
Write in English. Even short sentences are perfect. It's great practice, and we read every single comment.
Seriously, we do.
And if you enjoyed today's super long episode, please hit the like button. It helps us a lot. Subscribe to TED Talk Daily. Share this episode with one friend, one classmate, or one family member who wants to improve English.
You are all absolutely amazing. Thank you for spending your precious time with us.
Have a fantastic day. Whether you're fighting rush hour, walking in a quiet park, or sitting on a bus right now.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, stay wonderful.